Christmas delicacy is out. This was what I made for Christmas: coconut jollof and normal coconut. So bring your chair and take your popcorn and watch this video till the end. So I put my sunflower oil and I added my onions, seasoned it with some curry, added my ginger and garlic, stir it. Once that was done, I put in my tin tomato paste, which is what is done now. Then I fried it very well for about 10 minutes. Yes, when I say 10 minutes, I actually timed it. So I timed it and fried for 10 minutes. Then pour in my frozen homemade tomato paste. So you can see how red it is. I stir and make sure it's cooked for a while. So once you start having it like it's turning to stew, put in all your ingredients. So feel free to play around with any kind of ingredients you want to use. So on here I have my coconut milk. I'm using 3 different coconut milk, so some are actually thicker than the others, so that was why I decided to mix them up like this. So once the the stew is formed, I pour in the milk, then stir very well, cover it. Before you cover, I have a taste of it and make sure that it is everything, all the ingredients are well incorporated. So here's my rice. I'm using basmati rice, so this is the perfect rice for it. You can use any other rice, okay? So I put in I did not parboil this rice. I just use hot water to wash it very well and with salt. So just put it in and it's ready right now. No, not really ready, it's about quarter to be ready. So I just try to flip it, raise it up from down to up, turn it and flip, turn and flip, and cover it to cook very well, and it was ready. So the other one, I put in my vegetable oil again, which is sunflower oil. Just put in my spring onion and all the garlic and ginger. Once that was hot, I put in my pepper mix. I blended this pepper mix together, okay? Different pepper, no tomato is added, please. So fry it very well, then pour in my meat stock and still fry, and thereafter I also put in my basmati rice. Once that is done, I put in my shredded coconut or coconut flakes, no, shredded coconut. So now I'm putting the milk, the other half of the milk. Remember, I used half for the jollof, right? So once you pour it like this, you just turn it. After turning, pour in some hot water, the one enough to cook it, okay? And it's ready. Look at the face. Oh my god, you would wish to taste this coconut rice. So this was the serving. This was how I served them. I also made some salad, guys. So it was a delicious meal. Can you see the portion like restaurant food? Guys, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Will you be trying this out, guys? Please let us know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.